Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can set alarm in VIVO phone. So to start, you will need to launch the clock app first, or you can just tap at the time or clock widget, or also you can open the control or notification panel, expand it like that, and tap at the time over there. Or you can just find and open the clock app directly. Then make sure to open the alarm section at the bottom. Then hit this plus icon. Set all the details for your alarm clock, such as the time it gotta go off. You can also manage its repetitiveness, sound, vibration, and add some label as well. Then do not forget to save the alarm by tapping at this check icon to your top right. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.